gonna film the whole thing. Hello, beautiful humans. We just got back from Japan. Made it through customs. Don't know how that happened. I got these at Tower Records. I got my first two Sabrina CDs. I was contemplating on getting singular CDs, but these will do. This was the album where Sabrina followed me on Twitter. So I'm gonna open her up. I couldn't wait to open these.
It's like 2 in the morning. Okay.
Yeah. The prettiest CD ever. I just realized this is a full ass video.